Hello, tarot lovers and cat lovers. Welcome to Anastasia Tarot and Vedic Astrology. I'm Anastasia, and up today, a special treat, an homage to our furry feline friends, I Gatti, 22 Arcani Maggiori. This is published by Il Meneghello, and it is a 22 card majors only deck that is all cats. As you can see, it's just the box and the deck and this certificate of authenticity. So the cards are this lovely cardstock that Il Meneghello is known for. This is a very artisan handmade deck, and I just love it. I don't read with it, but the artwork is just so engaging and fun and clever. I know there are a lot of cat decks out there, and as much as I love my cats, I'm not really a huge fan of cat decks. I find them, for the most part, quite difficult to read with. But this deck I didn't buy to read with. I just really wanted the artwork. Io caro, how cute is that? La Giustizia, and we have the sword is here, and the scale. The ermita has the lantern and these books. So in spite of buying this just as an art deck, as a cat lover's art deck, they have done a nice job incorporating the traditional tarot symbolism into the cards. Well, except for La Peso here, I think the cat should be upside down. Diavolo. And that was it for this 22 card cat themed Major Arcana deck, Arcani Maggiori, and it's by Osvaldo Menegazzi. I hope I'm saying that right. Realized by Maestro Osvaldo Menegazzi. And this is from the famous Il Meneghello company, which produced these just really lovely handmade decks. The cardstock is this just true artisan paper, nice cardstock. Thank you so much for joining me on a fun cat deck for all you cat lovers out there. This is a new channel. Please like and subscribe, and may you enjoy the blessings of kitty love. Bye for now.